My name's Joe Harnois. I'm the president of Atlantic Builder Supply Northeast. I started in ICF about 25 years ago. I was a custom home builder, built over 50 custom full ICF houses and foundation. I had the opportunity to take over distribution back in 2016. Since then, we've become the largest distributor of ICF in New England for Nudura. The energy code's changing. Workforce is changing. No one's entering into the concrete industry. And in order for builders and developers to get foundations in the ground, they're looking for alternative ways of doing it. And ICF's a great way for them to do that. That's where we come in. We're a full hands-on distributor. We're not a point of sale. We are actively in the field training existing contractors on how to use the material. As far as education, we provide online training through Nudura.com. We also do in-person trainings every couple of months here in New England. Then we provide one-on-one trainings in our distribution center where we are a full stocking distributor. We have all the materials at our hands. We build wall sections. We can review all of the different accessories and the applications and details. And we also do hands-on training in the field. So a particular customer has a project they're going to do, they've never used the product before, we'll go in there and help them get everything established. By nature, the ICFs, they look like Legos. I mean, Legos for adults, right? And it is carpentry 101. Other things that come into play that are really important. So yes, it is easy to use. It's a user-friendly product, but it also needs to receive a fair amount of care when it comes to actual placement of concrete. And that's where we come into play. A lot of our customers are good carpenters. They can put this stuff together and do a great job with it, but they may not have any concrete experience. We pour concrete with our customers almost daily. If they need help with something, we're there for them. Ken Lynch and myself, we work very closely together. We talk numerous times a day. We see each other numerous times a week. And we do a lot of presentations to architects, engineers, building officials, developers, etc. So I work very closely with our Tremco rep. So if you compare insulated concrete forms to either a cast-in-place conventional foundation or CMU block foundation, and you were going to finish those basements, the ICF's going to be the same price, if not less, but it's going to perform better. So it'll perform in excess of R40, and it's going to provide a level of comfort that you can't get from another cast-in-place conventional wall. The ultimate differentiator between Atlantic Builder Supply and other distributors is that we're a full stocking distributor, not only for Nudura, but also all the Tremco lineup. So we basically can supply all 6 sides of the building under one warranty. ICF, Insulated Concrete Forms, Nudura specifically, is our core business, and we provide the most support. We don't operate as a point of sale. We are in the trenches with our customers, providing them the materials that they need when they need it, providing the technical support that they need on the back end. Nudura is really at the core of what we do. Atlantic Builder Supply Northeast is the Nudura distributor. We handle all of Massachusetts, Rhode Island, Nantucket, the Vineyard, Cape Cod, southern Maine, and southern New Hampshire. In order to hit your schedule using this product, especially if it's new to you, that's where we come in. We're going to be there to hold your hand. We're going to provide you with information in a timely manner, provide you with the materials you need in a timely manner, and see it through so that in the end it wins. Waterproofing and installing sleeves or penetrations for services is very similar to what you do even in a conventional foundation. We have a number of solutions for waterproofing. We have a sheet applied membrane, we have protection boards, we have fluid applied membranes for the exterior for waterproofing. Certainly, Nudura ICF used in a basement application makes a lot of sense. You can, however, carry the ICF all the way up through to the above grade walls, including gable ends, etc. Because the perm rating of the insulated concrete form being EPS, expanded polystyrene, it has a very low perm rating, so the comfort level of being inside of an ICF foundation is something that you can't achieve by building conventional. If you build a conventional wall, insulate the outside, and then stud out the inside in either spray foam or conventionally insulate the inside, there's vapor permeance that comes up through the footing. If there's a capillary break, it would stop, but if it continues up, it can wick up the wall up to 7 feet. That vapor permeance then has the opportunity to enter into the living space of the basement. That's something that you don't get with the insulated concrete forms. If there is any moisture in the concrete, it can't emit into the living space. So it's a comfort level that you can't get, and very difficult to put that comfort level into words. But once you're in an ICF basement, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. So ICFs have been around for decades. And one of the reasons why you don't see it more prevalent today is because of a couple things. Mostly it's awareness, proper education, and comfort. 99% of the time when people are comfortable with this as a building system, they say, why wouldn't we do it? And certainly if you're going to finish a basement, being able to do all 6 steps that we're doing in one with the ICF, that's the forming, the structure, the air barrier, vapor barrier, the insulation inside and out, and the fastening strips inside and out, allows us to efficiently build it and do it for the same price, if not less, than building one conventional and then studding it out and insulating it afterwards. I gotta tell you, I mean, as a builder, former builder for 20 some odd years, and then having the opportunity to get onto the distribution side, I've found my place. I love what I do. When you adopt ICF as a system and you really own the process of putting it together and pouring it, it's something that's a lot of fun to work with. It's easy to work with, and certainly better than sitting in the office doing paperwork.